Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic CAD model of gear shaft in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now go to 2D Sketch and we will select the XY plane. Now go to Line command and construct a rough sketch first. Here a vertical line profile. Okay, so we will make it a profile over here and close here. Okay, now go to dimensions, give this a total dimension of 187. Okay, now one by one give all of them the dimensions. This has 35 mm, the second will be of 25, this third will be of 50, this will be of 32, and the last one will be of 45. Okay, now give them the height for the vertical dimension. This will be at a height of 20. Okay, this at a height of 28 and this at a height of, okay, there is some error, so delete this also. Okay, go to dimensions and here take this dimension as 45 and okay. Now go to dimensions again, this is 32. Okay, now finish sketch or wait, you can make the whole profile also here. So go to line command, construct a line over here. We'll first make the half line. I'll show you one more command here, and from dimension give this dimension from bottom as 12.5. okay, the whole will be of 25 mm, so we will take the half dimension. As we have made line till here but we want to extend it till here, so go to extend command and select this line. It will complete the line till this bottom. Okay, now finish sketch and from here go to revolve command and select the upper profile above the 12.5 mm, and this profile we will not select. Now go to axis, the axis of rotation will be the lowest line. Okay, and okay, now we will make the gear profile. For that select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of dia 115 and now go to line command, make a center line joining from center point, escape and project this circle also. So select this circle and go to project geometry. Okay, escape. Now go to line command, make one line over here and one line over here, escape. We want to make a symmetric profile, so from here select this symmetric constraint, select first line and second line and then select the center line. Okay, the profiles are symmetric to each other. Now go to dimensions, from this point to this point the dimension will be of 8 mm, and this point and this point the dimension will be 20. Okay, now we only want this tooth profile, so select this line, make it a construction geometry, and we don't want this profile, so go to trim and select this circle. Okay, only the tooth profile is left. Now finish sketch and go to extrude, select this profile. We want to flip the direction, go to direction 2, we'll select the join, and the dimension here will be of 50. Okay, rotate it, it will be till this face, and okay. Now we want to give the radius over this edge, so select this edge, go to fillet, we'll give a fillet of 2 mm, this edge and this edge, and at this bottom also we want to give radius of 2 mm, rotate the view, and here also 2 mm. Okay, and apply. Now we want to pattern this whole feature, so go to circular pattern, select the features, the extrude and the fillet. Now go to rotation axis and select the circular profile. The count here will be of 12 and the filling angle will be 360 degree, and okay. Okay, you can give any color from here, you can give chrome polished, or I have taken in this as galvanized, so you can give galvanized also. So here it is galvanized. Okay, now we will make this cut profiles and the chamfer and fillet profiles. Now select this inner edge and go to fillet and give a fillet of 5 mm. Similarly on back side also fillet of 5 mm, and apply, and change the radius to 2 mm. Go to select edges and we'll select this edge and this edge. Okay, and apply. Now exit from this and go to chamfer profile. Now we'll select this edge. The chamfer will be of 2 mm into 2 mm. It is an equal dimension chamfer, or a chamfer with degree 45 degree, and this also 2 mm chamfer, and apply. Okay, now exit. Now we will make the key profiles, so this slots we will make. So go to top view and here rotate it, go to home, rotate it and select this face and go to create sketch. Now from here select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle over here, go to dimensions, give this a dimension of 8 and this also 8, and the height from center point will be 16. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select its center point and select here the center. Okay, now finish sketch, go to home, rotate it from here. Now go to extrude, flip the direction and give a cut of 30. Okay, now we will make a fillet profile over here. So go to fillet, take a radius of 4 mm, select edge, select this inner edge, side edge, rotate it, and this edge, okay, and apply. Rotate the view, exit from this command. Now we will make a key slot over here, the other side. For that, we'll first make a new plane. So go to plane. Now from origin, we will select the XZ plane, and to make a new plane on this face, select this face. Now you can see the plane is made on this face, tangent to this circular profile. Now select this plane and go to create sketch. Now go to rectangle command, and from here we will select the center to center slot. Make a slot profile over here. Go to dimensions, give this a width of 6. From front, this will be at, you will say 6, and from back this will be at 8. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point. So okay, it is already constrained, but go to horizontal constraint once again, select this point and select this point. Okay, now this is constrained. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. You want to cut the profile, so go to cut. From here take a depth of 3 mm and okay. You can hide this working plane, select this, right click, okay, select this and right click and turn off the visibility. Okay, so this is a basic model to how to construct a gear shaft in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.